welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing. It has been a minute since I've done one of these, and as you guys can see, I am in chilled out clothing. It is currently like really cold here in Johannesburg, and like, yeah, the rain and the cold is upon us. Very crazy. But I have all of these PR boxes to get through. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So the first one that I'm gonna unbox, because I'm wearing one of these sets on my eyes today, I'm wearing the style Grape. This is the Huda Beauty summer collection lashes, and these are their wispies. These range from 16 to 18 millimeters in length, and I own like 3 of these collections. This is the third one, and I absolutely love these lashes so much. They are so lightweight. I'm wearing Grape on my eyes right now. It is such a good lash brand and definitely worth the coin, you guys. I've used some of my styles over 10 times and I can still get like 20 uses out of them, which is insane. So these are the first collection. These will be launching on Friday the 13th. So if you want to copy yourself some Huda Beauty, don't forget to do that. I think it's launching at $3.99. Pre-orders are $3.99, and then thereafter it's gonna go back to its normal price of 449 Rand, which is really not bad for 3 sets of really good quality lashes. These are bomb, you guys. These are bomb. Okay, next we have Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm so excited because, wow, you guys, Benefit like spoiled me, like proper spoiled me. They first sent me this I Break for Beauty tin, and this has rest in peace earphone users, and this basically has a full-size professional, a mini bad girl bang, a full-size Benefit hula, and a full-size gimme brow, and this actually retails for 550 bucks, but the full price is 1,510 Rand if you had to buy all of these babies individually. So I'm really excited about all these amazing deals that Benefit has, especially for the holiday season, and there is so many other gift options that you guys can get, especially when it comes to these tins. So anything that suits your budget, I'm sure you'll find. The next one is the new brow styler. Now, firstly, can I just say the fact that Benefit sent me PR is just, it warms my heart beyond measure. So thank you so much to Benefit. This means the absolute most to me. I get to create content, and that is bomb. So I will be reviewing this brow styler. This is one of Benefit's newer products, and yeah, they sent me the shade Warm Black Brown number 5, and you can achieve 3 different brow looks with this one brow pencil. So obviously I'll be going in depth when I do my review, but basically there is a wax pencil on this side, and then there's kind of like a ball at the bottom here. There is a powder on the bottom side, and apparently this powder is like super pigmented and all that great fabulous stuff. So I cannot wait to try this out, and thank you so much to Benefit for sending these to me. I cannot wait to create more content with this brow styler. Thank you so much. Okay, so the next item I got, wow, these are actually clothes, and I got these from Stephanie Pete. I actually unboxed these on my Insta stories, so if you go through my PR19 highlight, you will see I tagged her in it. Now she actually makes custom pieces for people, and she makes limited edition sets as well, which is really, really nice, and she's a local girl, so that's amazing. Local girls doing the most. So the first thing she sent me was this 2-piece bikini. Now this is reversible, so you could either wear it with the pink side facing out or the darker pink. and I assume you tie it up in the front. So I pretty much gave her my measurements and she custom made these for me, which is super insane, you guys. And then we have bikini. This looks like a high-waisted bikini, and I don't really own a lot of two-piece bikinis, so the fact that she sent these to me, I am so excited, because I just never know like what type of bikinis will suit my body. And I feel like when it's somebody else looking at you and kind of deciding what style would suit you, you can never go wrong, right? And then she also sent me this really cute two-piece, and these like strappy tops are really in. So she sent me this two-piece. This is so cute, you guys, and you can see that these are so well made, like so well made. And then she also sent me this really cute skirt. This is like a mini skirt, so I cannot wait to wear these. I mean, I would try them on right now, but it is a little cold right now, and I do not want to get hypothermia or pneumonia, whichever one it is, where people die from cold in their body. I don't know, but I'm really excited to try them out, and when I do try them out, I will either put up a picture on my Instagram or something of that sort, so be on the lookout. Okay, next we have a box of goodies from Avon, and I am actually doing a campaign with Avon. So I'm going to be recreating this New Year's glam look. Hello, Daisy Perkins inspo. And then they sent me this cute package. There's this mirror ball. Love that. And I kind of unboxed most of these on my stories earlier on. So firstly, I have a I keep saying Marks instead of Magics. A Mark Magics Prep and Set spray. Then I have these Avon glow drops. These are the bronzing glow drops in the shade Luminous Luna. And these are like so pigmented, you guys. Like it is redonkulous. Look at that. Crazy, so crazy. And then there is a gloss. This is just like a nudie gloss. It's like a pinky nude. Okay, you guys can barely see that. And then we have this shimmer brick. This is the Avon True Bronzing Brick in Bronze and Glow. These shades are like so shimmery, and they have like glitter in them as well, which is insane. And then let's stick with the bronzy stuff, shall we? This is the Mark Magic's FX finishing stick. This is in the shade Island Fantasy. And this is like a bronzy sort of stick. Do you guys see that? Whoa, that is so pretty. I guess you can use it on the cheeks, you can use it on the eyelids, wherever. And then there's a Mark Big and Extreme Volume Length Mascara. This is an extra that I have. So this, as well as the setting spray, I have extras of these, so I will be putting them in a giveaway. And okay, the last thing in this box is this Lip Line and Fill Duo. This is the Mark 2-in-1 Lip Tattoo in the shade Give Me Heat. And one side is very fine, as you guys can see. Very fine. And then the other side is almost like a lip brush, and this is to like fill in the lips. Whoo, that shade on camera looks fire. So yeah, I'm really excited to film this content for Avon and their festive Avon look campaign, or Avon festive look campaign. So yay. Oh, and somebody in my comment section a couple of videos ago said to me that she wants to see more Avon products on my channel. So for those of you who want to see more Avon products on my channel, your wish is my command. Okay, so the next box is a box full of skincare products. Now, IQ South Africa really recently contacted me and they asked me, hey, would you mind picking out a range? We would love to send you some products to try out. And I was like, okay, let's try the Clear Start range, because the Clear Start range is known to be for people who have oily or problematic skin, and I know a lot of my followers do have oily skin just like I do. So I was like, hey, why not? So they sent me, how many products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 products. We're gonna go in order of what makes more sense, I guess. The first one is this oil control facial cleansing bar. So this has salicylic acid, aloe, IPF, and antioxidants. What is IPF? I assume IPF is like a technology that is like developed by IQ South Africa. So yeah, they gave me this oil control facial cleansing bar. Then we have a complexion clearing ice cleanser. Again, it has antioxidants and salicylic acid. Salicylic acid really helps with breakouts, you guys. So if you have any spot treatments that have salicylic acid in it, it is the bomb. This cleanses and cools, and it's oil-free and helps prevent breakouts, and this also soothes the skin. So that's why it's called the complexion clearing ice cleanser, because if you have really irritated skin, this will help soothe and cool and calm your skin. Then we have the triple action toner. Again, most of these products have salicylic acid, the IPF, and aloe and antioxidants. So this deep cleanses, soothes, and reduces shine, and this helps to minimize the occurrence of breakouts, and these are also oil free. Well, this is oil free, which is nice. Then we also have a Dermatreat Specialist Care Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. It's fast, gentle, yet effective removal of all makeup. And this is optometrist tested and 100% oil free. So this is a biphase remover, and it's supposed to be really gentle. Then we're going to move on to the tube of products. So the first one is the Smoothing Microderm Scrub. This unclogs and refines your pores. This is oil free. It has allantoin and alumina crystals. So it really helps with congested pores, and it says here one of the doctors that helped, I think, formulate this product says this exfoliator is very helpful with the resolution of comedones, blackheads, and whiteheads, and is a great complement to your regime. I'm really excited to use this because I have like these filaments on my nose. They're not exactly blackheads, but they're not whiteheads. They're just like open pores where like oxygen has been able to get to it, so it's oxidized, but it's not blackheads, you know. So I'm really excited to use this to see if it really gets rid of that problem, because for me nothing has been able to get rid of that problem. Then we're moving on to the oil-free SPF 15 day cream. This nourishes and protects. It says it's fast absorbing and lightweight, non-comedogenic ingredients. I just spoke about open and closed comedones. Open comedones are blackheads, closed comedones are whiteheads, and that's the lingo. So yeah, this is for oily and problematic skin, and this is also oil free, which is amazing. And IQ has a unique IPF, immunoprotection factor, which basically helps, I would assume by the name, the resilience of your skin. So that's actually really insane, and I'm really keen to try these. Like, what? Oh my god. And the Dr. Len Nell's Dermatip. It's true that pimple-prone skin should avoid oily products. So this product is great to use as an oil-free. I read that wrong. This product is great to use as it is oil-free while still providing protection against the harmful effects of the South African sun. So this is amazing, because I think a lot of the time, a lot of what people don't understand about skincare is that if skincare is formulated in South Africa, it tends to work better for our skins because it is formulated for our climate, which is why you will find if you use European brands, very seldom they do often work, but sometimes you'll find that it stops working after a while because, again, it's not formulated for South African skin, and our skin and climates overseas, not in the same WhatsApp group, okay? Now the last product that we have here is the oil-free night cream, and this has vitamins and aloe for a mattified, refreshed skin. So Another pro tip is many people believe that they should avoid moisturizers because they have oily skin. We have all done this. This is not the case. Skin needs to be kept hydrated, and a light oil free cream such as this is perfect, as it won't cause breakouts. So a lot of people, if you do use very nourishing creams, very hydrating creams, you'll find that your pores do get clogged because of the excess sebum production, and on top of that you're putting on extra moisture. So this is also really good for that. I'm honestly so excited to use this IQ range. I remember when I was in high school, one of my friends used this range and then she switched over to something else, so she gave me her leftover IQ products, and I think she was like halfway full on everything that there was like maybe 2 or 3 products from what I remember. And yeah, I tried this out years ago. I think my skin was just so bad at that point that I couldn't really even tell whether it was making a difference. But I have a little guy here on my cheek, 2 little guys on my cheek, which is why I have a beauty spot. So I'm really excited to try these products out, see how they work, you know, and just give you guys my feedback on whether I feel like it really changes my skin for the better. And like I said, this is a South African brand, so I'm really keen to see if, because I know Environ is bomb. I mean, for those of you who have tried Environ's made in South Africa, we know it's bomb. But another brand such as IQ, I'm really excited to try these out. They have various different ranges, no matter whether you have problematic skin or aging skin or whatever the case may be is, they have various different ranges. But I thought Clear Start was probably the best one for me and my skin, and obviously for most of my followers who do tend to have oily skin as well. So I'm really excited to try all of these products out, create all of these fabulous looks, and that is it for this PR unboxing. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and yeah, I know I haven't done a PR unboxing in such a long time. That's because I get like packages here and there. I'm not somebody who gets like maybe 15 packages in the same day. It's just last Friday I got 3 packages in the same day, and today I got like 2 packages. So yeah, I thought, hey, why not get some content up for Vlogmas? Let me follow up here on unboxing, and that is it for this video. I love you guys so much. A big shout out to all of you at home who have made it thus far in Vlogmas. I know it's a long month. I know with the load shedding and all that other stuff, it might be difficult to watch my videos, but if you're here and you have been powering through, thank you so much. A big shout out to each and every one of you. I love you so much. Don't forget to slay all day, every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Why are my kisses so lackluster? That's better.